Okay, time to install the cylinder head. I've already installed one. This is the gasket. It does matter which way it goes. It has a front, and evidently, you can see it here, these water jackets are supposed to be in the back. Now there's water jackets on the head, but they're blocked off in front. So evidently it's to keep the back of the motor cooler. So that just make sure that the front goes to the front, at least on this set. I've cleaned off the deck. It's very clean. Use some acetone to clean it off, make sure there's no oil on it. Okay, so we've got front, they're on the dowels, everything's good. Before I cleaned out all the holes, went through with a tap, and first I blew them out, then I ran the tap through it, and then I blew it out again, so I cleaned it all up. I didn't do that on the first one, and when I started to put a bolt in, it was a little bit tight, so I took the head back off and redid that with this. Again, on these are new head bolts, but I put the same lubricant, torque lubricant on it also. So we should be good. These are reconditioned heads, so they've been cleaned, milled on the surface, on both surfaces, and a valve job done on them. So they should be in good shape. So I've got that. I've got two bolts here, so when I put it on, then I can put the bolts in so it doesn't pop off. Even though these dowels are on it, it could still slip off at times. These are not aluminum heads, so they're pretty heavy, cast iron. So we're all clean on this side. Cleaned it up good, cleaned it up. Nothing in the cylinders. Gaskets on the right way. Good to go. These have two different lengths of bolts. So the long ones go inside, the short ones go on the outside. Okay. So there's that. Starting to look like an engine anyway. These are ARP new head bolts. They're 12 point. And then the washer has a bevel on to go on the head side of it. So. Okay. I'm going to use actually a 4-step, a 3-step. The final torque is 70 foot-pounds. I'm going to start off at 30 and then go to 50. But kind of first, I'll just make sure they're snug at around 10. And there is a certain pattern. Pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So use that same pattern to torque them. Okay, now I'm going to go with 30. Okay, I'll go to 50. Would be nicer if I had a half. This is a 3/8, but 70's pushing it as far as leverage goes. Okay, I'll go to 70. Okay, now I'll just double check them. Okay. All good. Okay, so last time I said I was going to paint it first, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to work on the valve lifters, and I'll take a video of that setting the lifters. Okay, valves are starting to look like an engine. I love it.